Have you ever wondered what tools make a creator's work truly shine? In this video, I'm sharing 10 essential gear picks that completely changed the way I worked in 2024. These are the items I couldn't live without. And hey, they might be the exact tools you were missing too. Hey, Mario here from Filmog. If you're new here, welcome. This is where I talk about smartphone videography, growing on YouTube, and cool tech. If you've been here before, you know the deal. Thanks for coming back. Alright, let's jump into it. Okay, this year I've been testing a bunch of gear. Some of it I reviewed here on the channel, but others, well, I use them every single day, so much that I don't even stop to think how important they are. That's why I want to share with you not exactly 10 different products, but more or less like 10 categories of gear that I use all the time for content creation. Don't worry, every product I mentioned is linked in the description below. Let's get into number 1, tripods and C-stands. Okay, I know this one sounds basic, but listen up. This is where every creator starts. You can't get a good steady shot without a tripod. Well, you can, but you might drop your phone trying to balance it somewhere. A tripod should be one of the first things you buy. Recently, I reviewed this tripod I'm filming with from Ulanzi. It is affordable, super versatile, and great for beginners. And don't forget about bending tripods. They let you attach your phone anywhere. Again, Ulanzi has a great one for that. Now, C-stands, they look a lot like tripods, but they are more basic and much cheaper. You can use them to hang lights, mics, reflectors, pretty much anything you need for your setup. Now, number 2, smartphone holders and accessories. Again, this one is super basic, but without this, you can't do much. Trust me, stuck upon phone holders, clamps, ball heads and quick mounts. Not only you lose them easily, but it's also smart to have them already attached to your main gear. Now, on to number 3, lights. This is where I say, if you can, invest a little more here. A good key light for your setup, gold. Background lights and fill light, also gold. I've already reviewed the key light I'm filming with, the Neewer CB60B, and my fill light, the Zhiyun CM15. Both are solid, affordable options. Also, you want to make your background pop? It's easy. Get some RGB tube lights. I've reviewed those too, links are in the description. Next up, number 4, cases, rigs, and universal mounts. This is where we level up the smartphone videography game. Having cases and rigs that let you attach other gear is super helpful if you're trying to step up your content. For my Galaxy S22 Ultra, I use this case with 70mm thread mounts on each lens. I even have a similar case for my old S10 Plus. And check out this rig from Neewer for my S22 Ultra. It is a beast. The side grips are awesome for shots, but I wish it had 17mm thread mounts instead of the M mount, even though I still use it a lot for steady shots. Lastly, instead of lens clamps, I use a lens clip from a Pexel. It is way better. Now, after number 4, you might see what is coming for number 5. Smartphone external lenses. You know I talk about this a lot. Why? Because they are game changers. Most brands out there are garbage, but there are some good ones I can recommend, like Moment, ShiftCam and Freewell. The only problem? They are too expensive. Recently I picked up this lens I'm filming with. It is a telephoto lens from Neewer. It is cheaper than those brands, but still has an amazing build and quality. With external lenses like this, you can get real optical blurry backgrounds with no camera software tricks. You can get those cool flares with anamorphic lenses or ultra-wide shots with top quality. I love using them and I'll keep using them in 2025. Now on to number 6, microphones. Sound matters big time. You can have a terrible video, but if the sound is clear, people might still watch it. If the sound is bad, forget it. And is the thing, Good sound doesn't have to be expensive. I started my channel with a wired lav mic from Boya that cost me less than $20. If you want an upgrade, I can recommend you to use this Ulanzi Lark M2. These are wireless mics that are versatile and, as you can see, I still use them today. If you're looking for alternatives, check out the DJI Mic Mini. Both are great, just pick the one that works for you. Number 7. Teleprompters. Okay, maybe not everyone uses this, but I do. Why? 2 reasons. First, English isn't my first language. Second, I love writing scripts. Even when I use bullet points, I like reading them in front of my eyes. I made my own DIY teleprompter and I still use it today. If you want a tutorial on how to make one, tell me in the comments. If you rather buy one, Leventi makes an affordable teleprompter that works with both cameras and smartphones. Now, before we jump into number 8, if you enjoyed the content so far, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. It really helps me out. Now, number 8, one of my favorites. Gimbals. I've tried a bunch of gimbals in the past and I still get excited when new ones come out. These tools turn any shaky footage into smooth cinematic shots. For me, it is an essential piece of gear for smartphone videographers. Right now, I can recommend the Hohem iSteady M6 or the new M7. If you want something else, try out the Zhiyun Smooth 5S AI. Both are awesome. Check out my reviews on both and see which one's for you. Now, as we are approaching the finale, we are getting to number 9. Monopods, magic arms and mount suction cups. These aren't as essential as tripods, but they are awesome for creative shots. Want a fake drone shot or those cool pass-through shots? Monopods are your best friend. Think of them as extensions of your arms. Magic arms and suction mounts? Also amazing. Use them alone or together to get unique shots. I love using these tools when I want to get creative. And finally, the number 10, what I call the geek category. These are the random gadgets that, as I don't use them every day, I won't fit them into any specific category. I just need to make a reference because when I do need them, they are super handy and make quite a difference. First up, dolly cars. I have one manual and one electric version from Neewer. You can even turn the electric one into a motorized slider just by adding some pipes. Then there's the manual spin table. Super cheap and perfect for product shots. And finally, my favorite, this smoke machine from Ulanzi. It is so much fun and it adds that epic atmosphere to your videos. So those are the 10 gear categories I use the most in 2024. They are perfect for beginners and professionals. I just left out the drones because I don't use them much yet, mostly because I'm afraid of crashing them, but maybe next year. Tell me in the comments what's on your essential gear list. I'm excited to hear your ideas for 2025. Don't forget, all the links are in the description below. And if there's a review for any product, I've linked that too. Now, gear is important, but you know what else is essential? Learning how to script write your videos. And I've got 2 great videos on that. Check them out in the description. I hope you enjoyed this list as much as I enjoyed making it. Don't forget to tell me in the comments what I missed. My name is Mario, this is Filmog, and as always, keep on exploring, keep on creating. See you in 2025. Hey Mario, Santinho, podes espirrar, meu lindo, se tiveres de tossir ou assim, para e faz outra vez, tá bom? That's why I want to share why... Ok, I now... Vais guardar? E o som? Ah, já acabou? Queres fazer um desenho? No telefone da mamã? No tablet da mamã? Olha, só faltam... Estou no número 6, só falta mais 4. Só faltam mais 3. Bem? É rápido. Aguentas aí um bocadinho? I started my YouTube channel... Diz. Isto é o que anda aqui a ver. Vai dar a volta e vem aqui atrás de mim. Estás a ver aquele texto ali a passar? Vês? Que é o que eu estou a ler. E isto é o que faz andar para cima e para baixo.
Este botão aqui.
E este para. Ele está a andar para cima sozinho. Isso aumenta ou diminui o tempo, a velocidade. Já está. Não. So those are the 10 gear categories I use the most in 2022.